Good evening everyone, my name is Ashavardhan. Today's topic is about my school. My school name is Neovision School. It is an English medium school. Our school principal name is Anji Reddy Sir. Our class teacher name is Nagalakshmi ma'am. We have a playground in our school. We play the games as Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and etc. Thank you. Good evening everyone, my name is Nishant. I am studying 5th class. Today's our jam topic is my school. Our school is the best place in the world. Our school is the best place in the world. There are many heroes in our life, but our teachers are unsung heroes. We can learn knowledge and discipline from our school only. Our school gives us best friends and best memories. Our schools are our country's pride. Finally, I love my school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Navadip. I am fifth standard. Today is about our school. My school is Neo Vision School. It is an English medium school. My school is big school. My school is very beautiful. I like my school very much. Thank you. My name is Mukund. I am from 5th standard. Today I am telling about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. My school is best school in our town. My school also has 600 students and 30 teachers. All the teachers are kind and peaceful. I love my school very much. Thank you. Good evening to everyone. My name is Lisanand Rashmi. I am from 5th standard. Today's our jam topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. It is the best school in our area. Our school director's name is Anji Reddy Sir. We have many classrooms, ICT lab, audio-visual room, playground, etc. Every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, they conduct assembly in our school. Monday Telugu assembly, Wednesday Hindi assembly, Saturday English assembly. On first and third Saturday, they conduct quiz program, which was held for 3 groups, red, blue and green. I am very proud to be a student of Neo Vision School. Thank you. My name is Vaibhav. I am studying 4th standard. Today our topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. My director's name is Anji Reddy Sir. In my school have big library. My school is near our house. I love my teachers. Thank you. Good evening everyone. My name is Dipesh. I am now studying 4th class. The topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. My school has complete room. My school building is very big. My school has playground. My school has dance class and karate class. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Aditya Reddy. I am studying 7th class. Today's topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. In this school is best school in this city. In our school like the AV room, science lab, ICT lab. In our school rooms very neatly. In our school nursery to 10th class. Thank you.
My name is Ilka. I am from 7th standard. Today's topic name is about our school. Our school name is Neo Vision School. Our director's name is Anji Reddy Sir. And we have many plants in our street. Our teachers are very good and very polite. They learn us discipline. And we have rooms like AV room, ICT lab, science room, etc. And they conduct programs like Voila, Science Expo, etc. And we have plenty of water in the street. We go twice
from 7th standard. Today my topic is about our school. In our school there are so many facilities. Facilities are water facilities and clean room. We have so many rooms like ICT lab, computer lab, library, playroom. We celebrate so many festivals like Pongal, Sankranti, etc. But in our school, the teachers will tell lessons clearly. We can ask doubt without fear. We have another room for hostelers. Thank you.
My name is Anika. I am studying 7th standard in Neo Vision School. My school name is Neo Vision School. My teachers are very kind and helpful. In our school, every first Saturday and third Saturday conducting quiz program. In our school, green environment. In my school has water facilities are there. Our classrooms are neatly and tidy classrooms have. And
Good evening everyone, this is Banu. Today I am going to tell about my school. Our school's name is Niyavidan School. Our director's name is Anjareddy sir. We have so many rooms like ICT lab, AV room, science lab. In our science lab they do experiments. In ICT lab we go to ICT lab and we know about the computers. In AV room we see about our lessons, what we want to get. In our school every first Saturday and third Saturday the day we
Conduct.
this in our school every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday we go to assembly and in our school we celebrate festivals like Sankranti, Dasara, Children's Day, Independence Day. Thank you.
My school started at 8 a.m. and ends 4:45 p.m. My school will conduct assembly on Monday, on Wednesday, on Saturday. My school will conduct quiz on first Saturday, on third Saturday. is Neo Vision School. My director sir name is Anji Reddy sir. My school located in Anjanayapet, Amaravati Road. The classrooms of my school are very wide, airy and well ventilated. There is a computer lab, science lab, AV room and big library. We have quiz on first Saturday and third Saturday. Every last period they will conduct spoken English. There is a ground behind our school containing many trees and plants. We will celebrate all festivals in our school like Independence Day, Children's Day, Sankranti, etc. On occasion of Children's Day, we will go to walking track. We will play many games like Coco, lemon and spoon, running race, etc. I am proud of my school to be here because we will study here like a family. Thank you.
అందరికీ నా పేరు హర్షిత. నేను 6వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు మా పాఠశాల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మా పాఠశాల పేరు నియో విజన్ పాఠశాల. మా పాఠశాలలో ఉపాధ్యాయులు స్నేహితులుగా ఉంటారు. మా పాఠశాలలో కరాటీ క్లాసెస్, చెస్ క్లాసెస్, డాన్స్ క్లాసెస్ మరియు ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. మా పాఠశాలలో సైన్స్ ల్యాబ్, కంప్యూటర్ రూమ్, ప్లే రూమ్ ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. మా పాఠశాలలో మా డైరెక్టర్ సార్ అన్నీ ఇస్తారు. ధన్యవాదములు. Good evening everyone. My name is Akshay. I am telling about my school. My school name is Neo Vision School. My director name is Andre Desar. In our school have many programs. In our school have AV room, play room, etc. In our school have science lab, computer lab. In our school have many festival programs. In our school have IMO class 5 to 6 IMO classes. In our school have Mozilla handwriting and karate classes, dance classes. Thank you. అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నా పేరు శశిధర్ని. నేను 6వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు మా పాఠశాల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. మా పాఠశాల పేరు నియో విజన్. మా పాఠశాల అంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. ఎందుకంటే మా పాఠశాలలో ఎన్నో రకాలైన ఆటలు, నృత్యం ఇంకా కరాటే తరగతులు కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకా మా స్కూల్లో మా పాఠశాలలో ఎన్నో పండుగలు జరుపుకుంటారు. ఇంకా సోమవారం, బుధవారం, శనివారం అసెంబ్లీ జరుగుతుంది. సోమవారం తెలుగు అసెంబ్లీ, బుధవారం హిందీ అసెంబ్లీ, శనివారం ఇంగ్లీష్ అసెంబ్లీ జరుగుతాయి. మొదటి శనివారం, 3వ శనివారం క్విజ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ జరుగుతాయి. మా ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులు మాకు కావాల్సినవన్నీ తీసుకువస్తారు. మా ఉపాధ్యాయులు మాతో ఎంతో ప్రేమగా ఉంటూ మమ్మల్ని ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ ఉంటారు. ధన్యవాదములు.
My name is Tanvi. Today our John topic is about our school. Our school name is Neo Vision School. Our director sir name is Anji Reddy sir. Anji Reddy sir provides supervision the handwriting. In our school
We have taekwondo and classical dances. In our school, we play indoor games. In our school, we do many programs. In our school, we Good evening everyone. My name is Bhavati. I am from 6th standard. Today my jam topic is about our school. Our school name is New Vision School. Our school is located in Anjanepeta, Amravati Road, Guntur. Our school has many programs like OILA, Open Expo, etc. Our school celebrates many festivals like Sankranti, Dasara, etc. Our director sir name is Anjireddy sir. Our director sir provide us all things. Our school has dance classes, karate classes, chess classes, etc. Thank you. Good evening everyone. My name is Ritika. I am studying 4th standard. Today I am telling about మా పాఠశాల పేరు మా పాఠశాల మా ఇంటికి చాలా దగ్గర. మా పాఠశాలలో ఏవి ఐసీటీ ల్యాబ్, సైన్స్ ల్యాబ్ ఇలా అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు ఉన్నాయి. మా పాఠశాల చాలా పెద్దది. నేను కొత్తగా చేరాను. నేను చాలా విషయాలు నేర్చుకున్నాను. నాకు తెలియని కొన్ని విషయాలు స్పెషల్ క్లాసెస్లో ద్వారా తెలుసుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Evening everyone. My name is Srivita. I'm telling about our school. My school name is New Vision School. It is an English medium school. My school has a computer lab and science lab. There is a playground in my school. My school is near my house. There are 400 students in my school. My teachers are very kind and helpful. I learn new things every day in my school. Thank you. Good evening everyone. My name is Shreddy. I am studying 4th standard. Today's topic is about our school. My school name is New Vision School. My school is English medium school. And my favorite teacher name is Amurta ma'am. I love my school very much. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
Good evening everyone, this is Devi Saranya from 9th standard. Now I am here to tell about my school. Our school name is New Vision School. Our school is located at Anjanepet, Amravati Road, Guntur. Every week we start our school with assembly. Every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday we have assemblies. Every day we have a special period, that is spoken English period. Every year we celebrate national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day and other festivals like Sankranti, Christmas, etc. In alternate weeks we have STs. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Anisha. I am studying 6th class. Today's jam topic is about our school. My school name is New Vision School. In my school so many programs, activities and science expo is there. We have our school have science expo, AV room, ICT lab and etc. from 6th standard. Now I am going to tell about our school. Our school name is Neo Vision School. Our director sir name is Anjireddy sir. Our school will provide us various rooms for studying. For teachers, our school will provide staff room. Our school will conduct an assembly on weekly thrice. That is on Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. And our school will provide us ICT lab, AV room.
Everyone, my name is Geeta Karuna. I am telling about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. My school is English medium. My school building is very big. I love my school very much. In my school, teachers will take to AV room. In my school, every Saturday lunch completed after we will take activities. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Maya from 9th standard and I am going to tell about my school. My school name is Neo Vision School. It is located at Anjaneyapet, Amravati Road, Guntur. Our week starts with assembly. Assembly is conducted on Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. It is conducted by each and every class from 3rd to 10th. We have our 9th period as spoken period. In our timetable, we are having weekly once PT. Our director sir's name is Anjireddy sir. Sir has implemented digital handwritings for teachers and students. Sir has also implemented Olympiad sections for mathematics, biology and physics. We are having karate and dance classes also. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mustafa and today telling about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. It is an English medium school. My school is like my second home. Our school children come in blue uniform. Many events are organized in my school. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम देवदूत है। मैं आज विद्यालय के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। हमारे विद्यालय का नाम नियो विजन है। हमारे विद्यालय का वातावरण बहुत अच्छा है। हमारे शिक्षक बहुत दयालु हैं। मुझे हर दिन विद्यालय का जाने पर अच्छा लगता है। मुझे विद्यालय के जाने पर मुझे धन्यवाद।
Good evening everyone, my name is Ashwin. I am from 6th standard. Today the topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision. In my school, every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday will conduct quiz assembly. The quiz program will conduct in first and third Saturday. Our director sir will provide good purified water in our school. We have science lab, ICT lab, AV room, etc. We have so many programs like Open Expo, OILA, etc. In our school, we have 4 floors. In my school has dance classes, karate. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is M. Shanukapriya. Today's topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. It is located in Anjaneyapeta, Amravati Road in Guntur. Our director sir's name is Anjireddy sir. We have assembly on Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. Monday assembly is Telugu assembly, Wednesday assembly is Hindi assembly, Saturday assembly is English assembly. In every Saturday, first and third Saturday, we are conducting quiz programs. Our director sir, in our school there are many programs like Republic Day, Independence Day, Teachers Day, etc. In my school there are pure water. In my school like play room, AV room, science lab, etc. In my school there are 4 floors. Thank you.
Today my job topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. We are conducting we are conducting 3 days assembly. We are having spoken sentences, provisions, videos, work forms, grocery, spoken sentences, and conversation. Our director sir is providing for us everything. We are celebrating every festival in our school, like Vinayaka Chavithi, Krishnashtami, Republic Day, Children's Day, Teachers' Day, etc. We are having mineral water. I am proud of to join in this school. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम किशन है। मैं आज विद्यालय के बारे में बोल रहा है। मेरा विद्यालय का नाम नियोजन है। मेरा विद्यालय अंग्रेजी माध्यम का विद्यालय है। मेरा विद्यालय में 4 मंजिलें है। मेरा विद्यालय के शिक्षक का अच्छा और प्यार करने वाला है। मुझे हर दिन विद्यालय जाने में अच्छे लगता है।
Good evening everyone, my name is Ratnavalli and today's topic is about our school. My school name is Neo Vision School. After exam, PTM will be conducted. On Monday provision, Tuesday jam topic, Wednesday web forms, Thursday glossaries, Friday spoken sentence, Saturday conversation. We have first and third weeks quiz on Saturday. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభ సాయంత్రం. నా పేరు నైనిత. నేను ఇప్పుడు మా పాఠశాల గురించి చెప్పబోతున్నాను. గౌరవనీయులైన ఉపాధ్యాయులకి, ప్రధాన ఉపాధ్యాయులకి నమస్కారం. మా పాఠశాలలో ఎన్నో తరగతులు ఉన్నాయి. మా పాఠశాల పేరు నియో విజన్ స్కూల్. మా పాఠశాలలో మంచినీటి సదుపాయాలు ఉన్నాయి. దానితో పాటు సైన్స్ ల్యాబ్, ఏవీ రూమ్ ఇటువంటివి ఎన్నో. ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఎన్నో ప్రోగ్రాంలు జరుగుతున్నాయి. ఉదాహరణకు బొయ్యిల సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పో, సంక్రాంతి, దసరా ఎన్నో. దానితో పాటు మా పాఠశాలలోని ఉపాధ్యాయులు మాతో స్నేహంగా మంచిగా నడుచుకుంటారు. కూచిపూడి, కరాటీ, చెస్ ఇలాంటివి ఎన్నో క్లాసులు మా పాఠశాలలో జరుగుతున్నాయి. ప్రతి సంవత్సరంలో పిల్లలు ఎంతో నేర్చుకొని మరొక తరగతికి వెళ్తారు. ధన్యవాదములు.
Good evening everyone, my name is Kavisha. I am studying 6th standard. Today I am here to tell few lines about my school. My school name is Neo Vision School. It is located in Anjaneyapet, Amravati Road, Guntur. Our director sir name is Anjireddy sir. Every week 3 days will be conduct assembly. Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. Monday Telugu assembly, Wednesday Hindi assembly, Saturday English assembly. Every first Saturday and third Saturday will be conducted quiz competition. We'll celebrate all festivals like Children's Day, Teachers' Day, Sankranti, Dasara, etc. Every Children's Day we'll go to walking track and we'll play games like kabaddi, kho, etc. I'm proud of to tell I'm studying in your school. Thank you.